Okay, Kirsten. Okay, we're gonna be underwater momentarily, okay? No, I'm sorry, underway. Underwater was my last boat. Yeah. Don't you just hate it when you say one thing and mean your mother? Oh, I'm sorry. Another. Guys, just like a belly button. We outie. Oh, you like that joke? Did you even get the joke? That's what I thought. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise, Kirsten. My name is Skipper Ian, and I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. That's my spit. You're welcome. Okay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with everything inside the boat. And if you look off to your right hand side, you know what you'll see, Kirsten? The Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where the famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is looking for the world's greatest treasure. And that's fine, but why is he still looking? I'm standing right here. And over there is actually an Indo-Chinese tiger. Kirsten, I'm going to pick on you now. Do you know which side has more stripes? The outside. The outside. Also, watch out for crocodiles. I got one over there! That's my good friend Ginger. You know why we call her Ginger? It's because Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie, but I think that's the way the cookie crumbles. I'm sorry, was that crummy, Kirsten? I just wanted to milk it for as long as I could. Welcome to the Indian Elephant Bathing Pool, people. Yeah. That one over there, that's Bertha. She's been in the shower for 70 years. That's what happens when you stay too long in the shower. You turn into an elephant. Not kidding. It almost happened to me. I can't lie. I don't shower. That was a joke. No. I don't use deodorant. I don't shower. I do stink. My jokes at least. Over here is my good friend Squirt. Don't call me stinky. Squirt, spray him. Spray. You might want to duck. Duck. Goose. Just been a dry humor. I know, yeah, you really think I'm gonna put you in danger? Do you? You do? Oh yeah, you know what that is? No, danger, let's get closer. Kirsten, guess what? We just entered banana country, so keep your eyes peeled. We may need to split at any moment. Yeah, now let's take a look over there. Oh, jeepers, Kirsten! They left the lights on! Like you did in the car. Now the battery will go dead and we'll never get it to turn over. That was a mechanic joke. Did you get it? Oh, sure you did. Are you sure? You'll get it when you're older. Ladies and gentlemen, up ahead is one of the best examples of natural beauty. Look straight ahead, guys. And behind me is Schweitzer Falls, named after the founder of the company, but don't worry, we'll be going over it later. Yeah, the falls, I mean. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we just left the Congo and entered a river that goes on for miles. And miles. And if you don't believe me, then you're in a boat, guys. You're in a boat. Yeah, B-O-T-E, state school, Kirsten. You know what that is? That's an African bull elephant. Scariest animal in the world. That one specifically, too. Nothing scarier than him. And probably what? Oh, you're right. That one's scarier. You know how I know? It's his mother-in-law. I'm driving. I don't need to look for it. I know what I'm doing. No, I won't. You ready? Yeah, I know. It's called yeah, you're no use. Ladies and gentlemen, can I point out some creatures? Over there's a stripy horse. Over there's a bearded horse. You know what the tall thing in the back of that was? No, trees. What's it called? Trees. Yeah, and over there's Skipper Felix. Yeah, do you know Skipper Felix, ma'am? No, do you know my good friend Ina? Okay, go ahead and go hi, Ina. Go hi. There you go. Now go by Ina. Yeah, you'll never see her again. Ladies and gentlemen, I took a wrong turn. Yeah, we seem to have ended up in a pool of hungry hippos. Let me scare them away. Cover your ears. Alright, that failed. Kirsten, I'm gonna try something else. I love you! Let's get married! You see, Kirsten, they're scared of commitment. Just like my ex-girlfriend. Don't worry about that. You'll get it when you're older. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, man. If you thought my job was easy, you'd be wrong. Because some people think that it's so easy a monkey could do it. Honestly, I don't see it. I don't what? No, those, I'm not, okay, A, I'm not gonna crash. So go down there. B, those aren't monkeys, those are apes. And I would tell you the difference, but it's a really long tail. I don't want to get into it. Yeah, thank you for being the only people in the back to laugh. I appreciate it. Monkeys aren't careful. What? Oh yeah, look at all those butterflies. Gotta be honest, butterflies are not what they used to be for me. Yeah, caterpillars. I got a wow! Ladies and gentlemen, best part of our cruise, the 8th wonder of the world! The backside of rock! No, I'm just kidding. The backside of water!
Whoa!
O2H! Oh, guys, where's the chemistry at? Kirsten, was it out of your element? Yeah, it's okay. It's only periodically if people get that one. Oh man, be careful. Yeah, that looks like the school of hungry piranhas. Now, Kirsten, how they swam all the way here from Hungary, I have no idea. Actually, it must have been a school field trip. Keep the cricket noises closer. Yeah, I know, for real. Ladies and gentlemen, scariest part of our cruise, especially if you have children, the gift shop. Yeah, is it? Why did you laugh at that? You're the kid. Yeah, it's not scary for you, it's scary for your parents. Don't worry about it, you'll get it when you're older. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me on the world famous Jungle Cruise. I hope you had at least a little bit of fun today, did you? Did you? Okay, good. Good. If you had fun, my name is Skipper Ian. And if you didn't, my name is Skipper Kirsten. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. Now, as we come up to the dock, remember to keep everything inside the boat, including those hands, arms, feet, legs, head, shoulders, knees and toes, okay? Yeah. Now, we don't want anything to get caught between the boat and the dock. You know what we call that if it does happen? A little bit of peer pressure. That's never good, is it, sir? Have you ever experienced peer pressure? Hey, Kirsten, have you ever experienced peer pressure? I know you have. Raise your hand. Raise your hand, Kirsten. Kirsten, raise your hand. Kirsten, raise it. That's peer pressure, guys. There you go. Okay, guys, I gotta be honest. Out of all the cruise I've taken out today, you have definitely been the most recent. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, you've been one of them. No, you've been outstanding, but Kirsten, soon, I'm gonna need you outstanding on the dock, okay? Cool. Cool. I'm glad we can have that. What? I am gonna leave you. It's okay, just like my ex-girlfriend. She's like, oh, that's sad. I know, that's why I made a joke about it. She's like, I have no comment. Alright, then all seriousness though, guys, you've been wonderful today. You've been wonderful today. And we're actually coming up in between two docks. And here at the Jungle Cruise, we like to call that a paradox. Oh, hey, guess what they did? They called it double. You know what that means? We get to go again. And again. And again. Thank you. And the one people... Did you just throw me? You just moved me. That was good. You know what? What's your name? Fine, it doesn't matter. I have one thing to tell you. Okay? Yeah, you're right. Get out. Oh, sorry. Was that rude? Kirsten, please. Please, get out. Now, watch your head, watch your step. Use those handrails. Watch your head, watch your step.
That way.
Get out. Get out. Watch your head, watch your step.